Introducing the Yaris all-wheel drive plug-in unit. This unit is a dedicated all-wheel drive controller for the Toyota Yaris that enables you to have full control of the all-wheel drive solenoid on the car. From factory, the all-wheel drive is actually set up pretty well, but actually having the ability to adjust it for a track live is really important for some drivers. The additional selection modes for switching between the sport and track allows you to feed into the Syvecs still and adjust the base duty on demand as well. We also offer the ability to have a potentiometer fitted to the unit to allow you to adjust it on the fly, actually on the track. So a real qualified racing driver might find if they're getting a little bit too much understeer, they can back it off and put some more to the rear. Now the rear, lots of questions we get asked is how much rear wheel drive can you get? The way the Yaris all-wheel drive system works is it's kind of geared differently in the back, the diff, to get more torque to the rear. We can actually apply more duty than the original unit and actually get more torque, as we can show on the screen with a dyno graph showing the tractive torque efforts now. And the important thing with that is that when you are driving it more at the rear, you are essentially putting more heat into the clutch pack. So we've done a really good job of being able to monitor the temperatures in the unit and actually not just cutting the duty cycle to the rear, actually adjusting it automatically. So the factory system, when it gets too hot, it will just come up all-wheel drive overheat and generally put the car into two-wheel drive mode, which can be particularly dangerous if you're mid-corner. With our unit, what it will do is it will automatically adjust the duty cycle based on the temperature of the clutch packs. And that's really good in ensuring safety when you are on the track and pushing the car. So the unit is programmable also via a USB connector, which can be found on the front of the unit here. This allows you to plug a micro USB cable into the device and connect to it using our SCAL calibration software. That software will then allow you to monitor live the current draw of the outputs, the duty cycle, temperatures, wheel speed, long G, everything that's actually being fed into the all-wheel drive unit to be able to see what's working and what's not with your all-wheel drive setup. You can adjust the all-wheel drive over temp monitoring limit that comes on the dash as well, so you can push a little bit further than the factory limits if you wanted to. Some of our beta testers have been pushing the boundaries a bit more of the clutch pack for the temperature and not having issues, but that's fully up to the user to adjust that and set up. As default, our clutch temperature limit is the same as a factory unit, but if you are heavily using it on the circuit, then you can bump it up, as a lot of our test rally car drivers have been doing. The units are available from any of our dealers worldwide, and you can order through them, and the support packages are through them as well. There is an instruction manual for the unit on our website, and more information available on syvecs.com as well.